How to build a base station. Step 1. Move the pedal switch to base. Step 2. Turn the channel DIP switch to the same position as the mobile station. Step 3. Use Type-C to supply 5V power to the product. Step 4. Press and hold the set button until the work light flashes quickly. Then release the set button to quickly configure the RTK module as a base station. If you have already configured the RTK module as a base station and other data, you can skip this step. Note: don't move the entire product when the work light flashes. After pressing the set button, the RTCM1003, RTCM1006, RTCM1074, RTCM1124, RTCM1084, RTCM1094 data package will be automatically configured. If you need other data, please refer to the RTK module data menu. How to build a mobile site. Step 1. Move the pedal switch to rover. Step 2. Move the channel DIP switch to the same position as the base station. Step 3. Use Type-C to supply 5V power to the product. Step 4. Press and hold the set button until the work light flashes quickly. Then release the set button to quickly configure the RTK module as a mobile station. If you have already configured the RTK module as a mobile station and other data, you can skip this step. After pressing the set button, the data of the two packages, GPGGA and GPRMC, will be automatically configured to the output every 1 second. If you need other data, please refer to the data menu of the RTK module.